Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Before I begin, just a quick reminder once again for you guys. If you guys have not joined the official Crypto ZX Telegram group chat, what are you waiting for? Come join the group. It's free to join, guys. And we talk crypto there, share interesting articles and anything that's going on in the cryptocurrency space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and say hello, and let's build this community together. So with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.55 trillion. We're up 0.8% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.7%. Looking at the overall markets, we are seeing mild green across the board. And Bitcoin is still on the shaky side of the spectrum. And, we need to hit certain price levels for Bitcoin in order for us to say that, altcoins are about to see a recovery. Bitcoin is still on the shaky end, so all eyes are on Bitcoin. In the next 24 hours to 48 hours, we will be able to see what is going to happen for altcoins. But with that being said, I want to look further into XRP today. Alright guys, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, XRP is currently trading at 88.1 cents. It's up 0.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 0.2% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 7 spot. Market cap right now is $40.7 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $6.6 billion. If we zoom out and look at the bigger picture for XRP, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is up 341.7%. I believe this number could have been bigger if the SEC lawsuit has never come out. And that's why I always say there is still a lot of money on the sidelines waiting for some sort of official announcement to come out for XRP from this lawsuit. And if it's positive, XRP will see some crazy price action in the further future. But that's just my own personal opinion. Only time will tell. But if we're looking in the last 7 to 14 days, we could see XRP is down 40+%. And that is not a surprise because if we look around the markets right now, the entire market is down. So it's not only XRP, guys, it's the entire market. We have to consider that when we are looking at XRP's price right now. But today I want to share a bullish article with you guys, very interesting, and I believe it is beneficial for all crypto holders. And then we will do our price analysis on XRP and Bitcoin. All right, so let's jump into the article. Bitcoin in discounted bull market, unlike stocks, Bloomberg intelligence. All right, Bitcoin and altcoins have entered the mainstream after this week's price dip and will become stronger as a result, said Bloomberg Intelligence. In a tweet on Friday, Mike, the research unit senior commodity strategist, described Bitcoin as being in a discounted bull market. So for Mike, the bull market is still on with a dip, ensuring the tokens are now still at current prices. Bitcoin advantage versus equities, a discounted bull market. The May 19 decline of virtually all assets on the back of the Bitcoin showed the crypto has entered the mainstream with potential outcomes tilted in its favor in our view. He highlighted advantageous volatility versus traditional stocks, along with a chart that suggests Bitcoin may have passed the correction test. The bottom is in, not the top. So Mike is not alone in considering the broader market trend to be intact after the volatility. Billy Wu estimates that Bitcoin is only halfway through its current cycle. So this is what he had to say. Both models show that we're certainly not at the end of the cycle, he told host Scott Melker. We still have some room to go until $100,000 on average, or $288,000 on average if you follow the stock to flow X model. And this is a very big influencer slash analyst for the cryptocurrency space. He's very well known around the markets, and his name is Willy Woo. You guys can go check him out on Twitter, and this is what he had to say. He's saying we still have some room to go until 100,000 or on average, or 288,000 on average if you follow the stock to flow X model. And that is very interesting when we do see this coming from a big analyst, and these guys know what they are talking about. But at the end of the day, we only have to wait, guys. Only time can tell, because these markets are very manipulated, so we never know what can occur. But now let's deep dive into the Bitcoin charts and see what's exactly going on. But let's look at XRP's charts right now. So we're looking at XRP's charts right now, guys. XRP has went below this level of support, which I would not personally like for it to see. But like I said, we have been following Bitcoin like crazy. Altcoins and Bitcoin have been super correlated with one another since this entire FUD has been occurring. We see Bitcoin go up, have a fake out. We see altcoins rally like crazy, and we see Bitcoin go back down, and obviously altcoins are following it, Bitcoin dropping towards the downwards trend. But right now we are seeing XRP below this level of support at the 89.59 cents level. We're sitting at 88.16 right now. And initially, when this whole, price pullback occurred, we did see XRP go all the way down to 81.38 cents, guys, and we are currently only away. We can just bring out the measuring tool and see that right off the bat. We're only away 66.75% from its a wick all the way down that we just saw current days ago. This level of support did play out very as a crucial level of support, because we wicked down here like 2 times, but we were bought back up very quickly. So if we do break below it and do not get above this, then things are not looking very nice for XRP, in my opinion. We would like for XRP to stay above this level of support by all means. But let me bring out the Fibonacci retracement level right off the bat, so we can get a better understanding as to what we can expect happen for Bitcoin's price in the immediate short term. I mean XRP's price, I'm sorry, because I will be charting Bitcoin right after this as well. So if we're looking at when we bring out the Fibonacci retracement level, you guys can see XRP is hanging around the level, it's in that 78.6 zone right now. And like I said, I would personally like for XRP to get above, this level, at least a bit above this, support level, and hold around there, and gradually move up towards that 61.8 and possibly 0.50. But right now, guys, it all depends on Bitcoin. All eyes are on Bitcoin, because whatever Bitcoin does, that's exactly what the altcoin market is going to do. As much as as much as we all hate it, but we always have to keep it 100% realistic on here, and we always have to look at both the possibilities. But long term, guys, XRP does have a very bright future. A lot of people are calling this lawsuit to get dropped. A lot of positive things are slowly starting to come out for this lawsuit against SEC, and if that happened, guys, you will see what happens to XRP. There's still a lot of money on the sidelines for XRP right now. We saw a majority of the altcoins, guys, see crazy highs this year. And, we saw XRP obviously have a crazy high as well. Had a nice rally after we heard some sort of positive news come out. But that was not official news, guys. Imagine when the real official news comes out. XRP community is very strong, guys. Very loyal fans, and they're here for the long haul. We're seeing whale accounts, not the exchange accounts. We're seeing actual whale accounts accumulating during these dips. While there's a lot of fear across the board, they are being greedy, and they're accumulating in bulk because they see the future. They're in for the long haul. And that's what I always tell. If you do your due diligence and research, and you have invested what you can afford to lose, and you're in it for the long haul, not short-term gains, patience will be your #1 key to follow in these markets. You do not want to be shaken out during these kind of pullbacks, because that's what the whales want to happen. They want to shake out the weak hands, so that more panic occurs in the markets, prices go further down, so they can accumulate at cheaper levels. So that's why I always say, you do not want to be the weaker hands getting shaken out during these times. But now let's go look at Bitcoin's charts and see what's exactly Bitcoin doing, and then we will conclude this video off. If we're looking at what Bitcoin's doing, guys, Bitcoin is sitting at $36,000 level, and look where it's sitting, guys. What a coincidence. It's sitting literally right on the last level of support before we see, us going towards the downwards trend. We're literally sitting right on there, if you guys can see, literally right on that line. And this is a strong level of support, guys, and you guys can see how significant this level of support is. And if we break below this, guys, there's a possibility of us even falling back down to this $30,000 level. Some people are calling that to occur and calling that to be the next that to be the actual bottom. And we will have a double bottom if that happened, and people are expecting to have a major bounce back right after that. But if that happened, guys, in the short and immediate term, this is definitely a possibility. I'm not saying that's not a possibility, because as much as I don't want it to happen, but we have to keep things realistic on this channel. And if that happened, guys, I hate to say it, I don't like saying this either, but I hate to say it. If that happened, if we go back down to 30K, we will see more downwards movement towards for XRP and the entire market. And if that happened, guys, we could be even possibly fall back down to this level at that 66 cents level, which is the next level of support. I believe this is a strong level of support, and we will be able to hold it and bounce back above it and get back into this range. But like I said, only time will tell. Let's hope that does not occur, but it is a possibility because we are very close to that level. We have officially went below this level of support. We could possibly fall below it, but this does not mean the bull run is over. This does not mean that. A lot of analysts are calling that this is just a correction we're seeing. But like I said, only time will tell. This is why it's very important that you always take profits and invest where you can afford to lose. And I always say to all my viewers, if this is your first time coming on my video, you guys can go watch my old videos, or even Crypto ZX community can vouch for me. I always say, guys, if you're sitting at major profits when the markets are in deep green, do not get greedy, guys. Do not get greedy. Take out profits. Put them off, take them off the table and just hold, guys, and either use those profits to buy these dips, or use it for your personal use, because at the end of the day, we are here to make money, and you do not want to lose that much profit. You always want to be locking in profits. But again, that's just my tip to you guys. You guys do what works for you at the end of the day. So what I would like XRP to do is get back into this zone, especially in the 61.8. But like I said, it all depends on Bitcoin right now. The bearish scenario would be if Bitcoin decides to head below to this 30K level once again. Then we will see XRP possibly fall below to this level at the 65.9 cents level. But I believe there's going to be major buying pressure kicking in around those levels. A lot of people will be accumulating around those levels, so be prepared for that if that did occur. But I think that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys agree with my analysis. You guys think this is realistic, because you guys know I keep everything realistic on this channel. I'm not an ultra moon boy. I'm not just gonna say, guys, bottom is in and we're off to a great start and we will be seeing all-time highs tomorrow. No. I keep it 100% realistic with you guys, and I'm just trying to get a lot of the newcomers coming into the markets used to how these market cycles work, so you guys are very much prepared for it, because I have been in these markets for quite a while, and what I have learned, all the mistakes I have made, I am trying to share them with you guys so you guys don't make the same mistakes, and giving you guys tips that could possibly help you in this cryptocurrency market. But with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Stay safe out there, guys. Safety comes first, health comes first, family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. Come join the Telegram group. Link in the description box below, guys. during these times, talking to someone can make it you guys feel better. And you guys can just have a great time and just talk crypto and learn something new that you may not know. And possibly even stay away from scams. A lot, we have all these conversations on this channel, how to stay away from scams and stuff like that. It's free to join, so come join the group, and let's build this community together, because at the end of the day, we are here to help one another out. And yeah, with that being said, guys, I think I am going to wrap up today's video around here. Smash this like button, it helps my content get to a wider audience. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.